Floodback's a nightmare. You got liquid refrigerant getting back into the compressor, which is a recipe for disaster as far as compressor reliability is concerned. The most common causes I see are overcharged systems, malfunctioning TXVs, faulty control systems, and the biggest culprit of all, low airflow. It's often tied to neglected maintenance, dirty filters, worn belts, clogged coils, even bad ductwork designed from the get-go. Usually it's due to undercharge, a bad TXV, or a high evaporator load. A lot of folks don't realize how detrimental these problems actually are. Electrical issues contribute to equipment failure. However, those refrigerant issues we talked about, especially floodback and overheating, can lead to an electrical failure in the compressor. If you only address the problem as an electrical one, you may be missing the real root cause of the problem, and it will keep coming up. Short cycling is a major stressor on the whole system. Every time that compressor kicks on and off, it's wear and tear on the equipment. Preventing short cycling is the best way to keep your equipment going. That's where our raw devices APR control comes in. It's designed to tackle all of these issues head on, prevent floodback, protects your compressor, and extends the runtime to minimize those damaging starts and stops. It's the single most effective solution you can install to safeguard your equipment and keep your customers happy. If you're a tech tired of fighting the same battles over and over, check out the raw APR control. It's a game changer.